Hey everybody, good morning. This will be the final little update on this C-clip eliminator, at least for now. Yesterday I did get all the differential fluid back in there, and it's been sitting overnight checking for leaks, and I don't see anything dripping out of there. Nothing underneath the car or on the other side, so far so good. That's with the 2 full quarts of ADW90, some friction modifier, and I put a couple ounces of the motor coat in there as well. But what I did notice when I watched the video was I had left out one section, and it was the removal of the wheel bearings. So I'm going to put that in at the end of this, the little section I left out, instead of redoing the whole video. And it'll show the tools that I that I rented up at O'Reilly's or your local auto parts store to get the axle bearings out in one piece. So that's the update. Good news so far, no leaks. I'm very happy with that. So we will go from there, guys. And that's it. So far, no leaks on these C-clip eliminators. All right, thank you. All right, guys, happy Sunday. Ran up to O'Reilly's and rented. These are the 2 tools you're going to need to rent. Is the rear axle bearing remover 67035 and 67031 is your slide hammer. This just screws onto the end of this. Came out very easy, didn't tear up the bearing or anything. It's very simple. This slides through, you tighten down. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. Nonetheless, tighten this down. This will be inside the axle. I'll show you real quick. So this will be in the axle like so, right? Screw your slide hammer on the end and boom. It only took like 6 or 7 pulls on that's a 5-pound slide hammer, and the bearings, both the bearings came out. Had it done in honestly a minute and a half. This is the longest part right here. It's just threading the dang thing to get it off of there. So I'm going to go ahead and run these tools back up, get my deposit back, and we will clean up the axle tubes and get ready to cut these things, and then we'll be ready to start reassembly.